Hello and welcome you on my channel, Al Engineer. So what I'm gonna show you is about the DNS server. How can you configure it on the new iOS 40 iOS 6.2.0. So before, when we have the downgrade iOS, so it has many problems when you transfer the new iOS to the new one. For example, as you can see in my DNS interface, so you can use the default DNS server for the first primary, and also for the secondary we have the default again, and you can put also the a.com and c.com as the domain. After that you have to apply it. For example, I can use my high-speed DNS server, for example 200.4.173 and also 174 and .12. As you can see, I'm gonna apply it, and after a while you're gonna see the latency on my system. For example, right now it is for 10 milliseconds. So the latency in my network is about 10 milliseconds. So when I use that DNS, my network gonna be a little bit slow about when you transfer a train for another network. But to solve with that problem, generally you have to put the default DNS as I put it before, 0.0.0.0, and I apply it. And like this, you're gonna see the latency is disappear from what you had before. So right now, after you're doing all of these things, you're gonna set it up and your system is configured correctly according to the system of FortiGate. But after that, if you want, you can put your DNS in your each personal interfaces. For example, when you go at the interfaces and I go to my VLAN, if I click on this one, my VLAN, and now you're gonna see exactly about where you can put the specific DNS server if you have a server and in your internal network, because you have to put it first for have the access fee in your internal network. After that, when you put the public DNS by default, you can add static your internal IP with your server. Please, this gonna help you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or give a comment about this video or like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And see you next for the next video.